Welcome to VRD History, where we dive into the research and development that defined the icons of motorsport. In the world of Formula One, teams can lie to the media, drivers can lie to the engineers can even lie to themselves looking at simulation data. But there is one place on earth where the lies completely stop. Welcome to the circuit de Barcelona-Catalunya. For over 3 decades, this 4.6 kilometer ribbon of asphalt has served as F1's definitive truth serum. If a car has an aerodynamic flaw, this track will expose it in seconds. If a chassis lacks balance, the tires will be shredded by Sector 3. How did a circuit built for the 1991 Olympic Games become the most feared technical benchmark in motorsport? And why does its history hold the key to understanding who will win this weekend? To understand Barcelona, you have to look at its sheer architectural variety. It's not just a racetrack, it's an engineering obstacle course. Take turn 3, the Camper corner. It's a massive, long sweeping right-hander that subjects drivers and cars to sustained high G-loads. Here, the aerodynamic platform must remain absolutely rock solid. If the car pitches or rolls too much, the downforce detaches. The floor loses its seal and the driver is heading backward into the barriers at 240 km per hour. Then there's turn 9, a blind uphill crest taken nearly flat out. This track demands a paradoxical setup. You need immense high-speed downforce for sectors 1 and 2, but you need instantaneous mechanical grip and compliance for the slow technical corners of sector 3. It's a brutal compromise. If you dial in too much wing to save the tires, you are a sitting duck on the massive 1 km front straight. And then there's the wind. Because it's located near the coast, the wind direction can flip 180 degrees between morning practice and afternoon qualifying, completely destroying a car's aero balance in an instant. If you want to know what happens when human genius overrides an engineering nightmare, you have to go back to June 2nd, 1996. Michael Schumacher had just moved to a struggling Scuderia Ferrari. The car that year, the F310, was widely considered a mechanical disaster. It was uncompetitive, aerodynamically unpredictable, and unreliable. On race day, Catalunya was hit by a biblical deluge. Schumacher started third, dropped to 6th with a bogged clutch, and then he did something that redefined the laws of physics. While the rest of the grid was hydroplaning off the circuit, Schumacher was lapping up to 4 seconds a lap faster than anyone else. His Ferrari was visibly broken, running on fewer cylinders by the end of the race with a cracked exhaust manifold. But it didn't matter. Schumacher used his throttle application like traction control, manipulating the weight distribution of a deeply flawed chassis in real time. He didn't just win his first race for Ferrari that day. He took a circuit designed to expose bad cars and forced it to showcase legendary greatness. For years, fans complained that Barcelona had grown stale. The introduction of a clumsy chicane in 2007 killed overtaking and ruined the flow of the lap. But recently, F1 did something rare. They listened. The chicane is gone. The final 2 corners are once again high speed, high stakes, sweeping right-handers. This change completely alters the engineering equation. Cars now launch onto the main straight with massive velocity, putting an even higher premium on rear tire management. The left front tire takes absolute punishment around here, and the teams that prevent thermal degradation while maintaining peak aerodynamic efficiency will dominate. As the lights go out this weekend, remember, Barcelona doesn't care about the team's hype or a driver's contract. The circuit will demand perfection from the floor, the wings and the tires. The grid is about to face the ultimate mirror. Let's see who blinks first. If you love the technical side of motorsport history, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment with your weekend predictions, and we'll see you at the next Apex.